Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting tech product to review, the AOGCMM USB-powered computer speakers. These sleek, USB-powered soundbars are designed to enhance your audio experience while maintaining a minimalistic footprint. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and performance of these speakers, so let's get started. Before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future product reviews. The AOGCMM computer speakers are a USB-powered plug-and-play soundbar designed for desktop monitors, PCs, laptops, and tablets. They come in a stylish black color and offer several features that make them stand out. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features that set these speakers apart from the rest. First up, these speakers are incredibly easy to set up. They are USB powered, which means you just need to plug them into a USB port on your laptop, PC, power bank, or adapter. No drivers or software installation required. Plus, they include a USB-C to USB adapter for compatibility with devices like Mac Air and Pro. The AOGCMM soundbar comes with 7 captivating LED lighting modes, allowing you to create a dynamic ambiance. You can choose from colors like red, green, purple, and more. The lights turn off automatically when the speaker is powered on, catering to different preferences. These speakers offer versatile connectivity options. You can connect wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0 to your Bluetooth-enabled devices or use the USB connection for devices with a USB port. Say goodbye to limitations and enjoy the freedom to choose your preferred audio source. The AOGCMM soundbar boasts dual drivers and dual diaphragms, delivering impeccable high-pitched tones and deep bass. Anti-magnetic technology ensures clarity and vibrant sound quality, free from static noise. Let's now unbox these speakers and see what's inside. We'll also demonstrate how to set them up for your convenience. After connecting the speakers, we'll show you how to control the LED lights and switch between different lighting modes. Now, the most crucial part. Let's put these speakers to the test and see how they perform with various types of audio. We'll play some music, watch a movie, and even test their gaming capabilities. So, what's the verdict? In conclusion, the AOGCMM USB-powered computer speakers offer a convenient and visually appealing audio solution for your desktop, laptop, or tablet. They excel in providing an immersive audio experience with the added bonus of customizable LED lighting. That's all for today's review of the AOGCMM USB-powered computer speakers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments about this product, feel free to leave them down below. We'll be happy to answer. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy listening.